Hi everyone, welcome back to the Human Movement and Performance series. This is Tom West, and I wanted to introduce this next series of presentations. I think we have 7 or 8 in this series because I think it's a really important topic. Whether you're training yourself, training your clients, or what have you, understanding the structure and function of muscle tissue is really paramount if our goal is to improve function. For the most part, in most activities, the skeletal muscle is going to be the limiting factor in performance, whether it be a strength activity, an endurance activity, or just performing the activities of daily living. We need muscles to have the strength that we need when we need that strength. We need them to have the endurance when we need them to work over a long period of time, and so on. And to really design the best programs, we need to understand the structure and the function of skeletal muscle and how our exercise programming can impact the structure and function of this same skeletal muscle. So let's see what we're going to be learning in this presentation. This is just a few of the objectives that I have for this series of presentations. Obviously, muscles are going to power motion. They're the motors of the human body. They need fuel, so we'll discuss aspects related to fueling. We'll also discuss aspects related to biomechanics and the ability to generate this tension. So we're going to explore muscle microscopic structure as it relates to movement. We're going to compare and contrast different muscle fiber arrangement types. We're going to see that not all muscles are created the same. Some have fibers that are parallel. Some have these muscle fibers that are arranged at an angle to one another. We're going to look at the advantages and disadvantages of each of these fiber arrangements. We'll discuss the neuromuscular system, how the nerves and the central nervous system coordinates and controls human movement. We'll look at the steps in a muscle contraction and discuss where there might be limitations in these steps that can affect strength output or endurance. And then finally, we're going to look at the different factors that affect the muscle's ability to generate tension, whether this be an explosive, powerful motion where we want a lot of strength in a short period of time, or where we want long-term, repetitive, submaximal contractions as we see in endurance events. So let's get started by taking a look at the microscopic structure of skeletal muscle.